Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun. Where are we at?
We are at the Crown Plaza Hotel in Indy at the HEC conference.
Yes.
So if you hear any noises, it's because there's a train going over us every now and then.
Literally right over us.
Like an actual train.
It shook the room.
Yeah.
So very good. So we're going to learn about Symbaloo today. Yeah. Symbaloo, if you're thinking about the UDL framework, it's a very engaging way to put links up for kids or have them create their own Symbaloos to kind of show you some websites that they feel are useful, or if just a student needs this to kind of get to the right place. It's pretty easy to navigate.
Yeah, great for organization.
Yeah, so all of the Symbaloo kind of the layout here is that there are different tabs that all look like this. So they all have a lot of tabs, but it's all customizable, and you can get rid of these plain ones. So go to Symbaloo. You can create your free account and just sign up with Google. I already have one, so I'm going to sign in with Google, and it will bring me to one that I created. Yes, so we have a customizable background, and you have, I don't have as many tiles as some of these other saved ones. Yeah. These boards, but the BCSC one is one I made, and you can add more here if you want. So all these do is pop out to a link. So if I click on that one, it takes me to the home page. And you can add tiles here. So you can either create one. So if you type in the URL here, it may already be created and it'll pull up a tile that has an image, or you can upload an image right here, which is what I did for the BCSC one.
Nice.
Or you can just search for one. So here's search for title. So if it is like, I'm going to do Brain Pop again. So Brain Pop Junior, let's say we want it.
We do want it.
Then it just brings it right here, and you can move it around. Woo! All you want. Sorry, that kind of jumped out on me, but it is customizable in there. So let's say you don't like this layout very much. You can go over here, click the pencil into the tab that you want, and you can change the wallpaper. So there are some default ones or just plain colors, or that's the image that we uploaded. Yep. You can resize it. So if you do not want, there it goes. If you don't want as many tiles, then we can delete some and make it smaller. You unfortunately can't change the size of the actual tiles. Those are kind of stagnant, I guess. But it does at least get rid of some of those pieces. So how do you share it with the world?
So there are a couple different ways. You can either, you go up here to the share icon and you click this little caret over here and it will pop up here. You can either copy this link and then go into your It's Learning page and drop it in as a link. And because it is a secure website, it'll pull it up and your kids can get to it right through there. Or in a note or a page or however you want to, you can use the embed code right here and you can embed it.
And students can share it that way back with you as well.
Yeah.
I will say that when you first open up sharing this side, you have to fill out first. It's the tagging piece, and then this will open up. So
if you just want your kids to be able to find you, or if we wanted anybody in BCSC to find ours, we could make the tags better so that you guys could find us more easily.
Yep. And that's about as easy as it gets. It is just a link out, but again, it's engaging. And if you have a student that where It's Learning or other pieces is just too much, this is an easy way to organize it for them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks for joining us.
Happy Friday.